Hi babies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to get this really quick and simple Marley Twist look. The method that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video works for both Marley Twist, Passion Twist, Havana Twist, Senegalese Twist, any type of twist or even braid that you want, you can do with this styling method. I swear, like lie to you not, it cut down my styling time in half. Normally twists and braids take me about anywhere from like 8 to 10 hours because I suck at it, like the parting, the securing it to the scalp, like I just suck. But this method made it really simple, and it doesn't matter what length your hair is, as long as you can secure your hair in a rubber band, you can definitely achieve this look. I went ahead and added some like hair charms and stuff, completely optional. But outside of that, this whole look cost me about, it was less than $30. Less than $30. I think you can get away with, no, you need 3 packs. Just to be on the safe side, just get 3 packs. But I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm really tired and I'm trying not to look sleepy, even though I am. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what hairstyle that you want to see next. I have a lot of content in the works, but I really wanted some twists. So I hope you guys enjoyed this updated video because I know my last one got a little bit of traction. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So the hair I'm using is this Sensational Expression African collection. It's in the style Jamaican Twist, I think. And I got the color 1B. You guys, this is literally the softest synthetic hair or braiding hair that I've come across. It's actually pretty perfect for this style. And shout out to Tati on the back. But it really is good hair. So I've already gotten through most of my head, so I think I'm only going to use one, and if I need more, I'll grab it. But I've already prepped my hair. I did the lock method with water, of course. I did some black castor oil mixed with peppermint oil, the curling Hanson smoothie type of deal, and some shea butter. And to prep my hair, all I do is saturate it with a little bit of water and conditioner or leave-in. I'm just gonna make sure that all of the hair gets wet. This is just to help make sure that it doesn't dry out my hair. And you wanna be really generous with this. Now, for this method, I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair. So they're all sectioned off into rubber bands. And it's really simple, you guys. All you're gonna do is grab 2 strands and twist. I'm gonna take an open crochet hook, slide it through, hook the hair on and close it, and then pull it through. I'm gonna make sure they're even, or as even as possible. Then I'm gonna tighten my natural hair, split the section in 2. And then I'm gonna begin to twist. And like you all saw in my last Marley Twist video, I'm still twisting my hands as I'm twisting the hair. I just like the curl, not curl, but the twist pattern that it gives. But that is optional. It depends on like the look that you're going for with your Marley Twist. I'll probably do some of the fluffy or loose ones when I take these out. But for this style, I want it pretty tight. I'm just twisting it down. And you guys, this method has saved me so much more time because I'm not a braider. Like, I'm not good with parting. I'm not good with securing hair. to my natural hair when it comes to like a braiding or twisting pattern. I typically do twists because twists are easier for me to do, and I just like the look of twist better. But like this is how you would do an invisible braid or knotless braid as well. So if you struggle with braiding or twisting, I would definitely recommend doing it this way. I think it'll save you a lot of time and effort. And this hair is pre-stretched and pre-layered, and it's 36 inches. So again, I'm gonna grab my 2 strands of hair, twist. It's really easy to go through multiple sections, so just be careful when you're pulling it through. But if that does happen, just pull it out. So now that I have finished all of my twists, I'm gonna have and I don't want to say prep my scalp, but I guess treat my scalp. Even though I did do the lock method on my hair and it is really moisturized right now, I want to go ahead and be proactive in making sure that my scalp is taken care of, because I am someone that is flake prone and itch prone. Even though this hair, I didn't have to do an apple cider vinegar rinse or anything. Like, this is like a really, really good hair. If you guys are interested in doing Marley Twist or any type of like Havana twist or anything like that, I would definitely recommend this hair. It's really lightweight. It has a nice feel to it, and it doesn't have any like chemical coatings that irritate the scalp. But yeah, that's my little soapbox stand, and I'm saying that because I've used this hair before, you know, outside of this one style. So I'm gonna take some of this African Royale BRX braid and extension spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to. This is a new bottle. Oh wait! Oh my God, that was my eye. Ugh. I'm gonna apply this to my scalp. to seal that in, I'm gonna be using this Nature's Blessing hair pomade. It's not really a pomade, it's like a hair dressing. Just on my scalp. And I'm using this instead of oil, just because I feel like the petroleum in it is gonna lock in that moisture really well. And I didn't style my hair tight, but I really want to prevent any hair bumps because those are extremely annoying